Hello, my name is Michael, and today I am going to talk about the bathroom. So watch and listen. The time is 7:30, so 7:30 in the morning. Today is a Tuesday, and outside is cloudy. So I am going to talk about the bathroom and my bathroom routine. This is me. This is me in the morning after I wake up and get out of my bed. Get out of my bed. I don't look good. I look bad. So this is what I do in the bathroom in the morning. First, I need to shave. I have stubble. I have a short beard. This is a long beard. That is a short beard. So, to shave, first I need to wash my face. First I turn on the tap. I turn the tap and water comes out of the tap and fills the sink. Turn off the tap to turn off the water. Like that. Okay. Now I splash my face with the water and rub water on my face. Hot water. I wash my face usually with hot water. Now I need to put on shaving cream. First I put my shaving brush into my shaving cream and put shaving cream on my brush. Then I put on shaving cream on my face. I put on shaving cream on my face and my neck. Then I pick up my razor my razor. Wait, there is no blade. There is no blade in my razor, so I twist the top of my razor to open my razor and put in my blade. Good. Now my blade is in my razor. I pick up my razor and shave my face. Like that. I shave all of my face and my neck. I need to be careful not to cut my Adam's apple. This is my neck. This is my Adam's apple. So I don't want to cut it. Good. Now I am finished shaving. I have no beard. I have no beard. My skin is smooth. Very smooth. Now I need to wash my face again, but now with cold water to clean off shaving cream which was left after shaving. Clean it off and to wake me up. So splash cold water on my face to wake me up. Now I spray aftershave on my face. This hurts. Ow, ow, ow. The cuts from shaving, but it smells really nice. Now I need to brush and clean my teeth because they are dirty. My teeth are dirty. So first I need to floss. I need floss. I break a small amount of floss and floss. I floss my teeth to clean the dirt off. Okay. Now I need to brush my teeth. So I use my toothbrush. I pick up my toothbrush and toothpaste. So I twist open the lid and take the lid off, and then squeeze the tube of toothpaste so toothpaste comes out of the top, and I put it on my toothbrush. Then I brush my teeth. I move the toothbrush back and forth, and up and down to clean my teeth. After I brush my teeth, I use mouthwash. I put mouthwash in my mouth, close my mouth, and gargle. I gargle mouthwash in my mouth. Then I spit. I spit the mouthwash into the sink. Now my teeth are clean. Finally, I brush my hair. I pick up a brush there and brush my hair. Now my hair is neat. It looks good. I am finished. I look good. This was my bathroom routine. What is your bathroom routine? Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.